Excited to introduce a fantastic new feature from Intuit QuickBooks that will take your business finances to the next level, the QuickBooks Line of Credit. Every business faces challenges with cash flow at some point. Whether it's purchasing inventory, handling unexpected expenses, or simply bridging the gap between invoices and payments, having access to funds when you need them is crucial. That's where a line of credit comes in. QuickBooks Line of Credit is designed specifically for small business owners like you. It's flexible, easy to access, and integrates seamlessly with your existing QuickBooks account. QuickBooks Line of Credit gives small businesses a new way to access fast, flexible funding from $1,000 to $50,000 with loans issued by WebBank. With QuickBooks Line of Credit, small businesses can tap into funding when and how they need, depending on their specific cash flow requirements. Let's dive into some of the key features. Easy application process. Apply directly through your QuickBooks account with minimal paperwork. Fast approval. Get approved quickly so you can access funds when you need them the most. Flexible use. Use the credit for any business need, whether it's covering payroll, purchasing supplies, or managing cash flow. Seamless integration. Your line of credit is integrated with QuickBooks, making it easy to manage your finances all in one place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from QuickBooks.